No, I'm weak. Guys, let's try some snacks that was sent to me from Jamaica care package all the way from yard to abroad. The first one I'm gonna try is the Magnum. Y'all know I love me some Magnum. So I got my cup of ice. We're gonna do this shit real good. Like, good night now. Good night back snow. Hold on, what more sit? This lunchtime favorite. Nice. Like this, nice, bad. This nice, bad. All them nice box are. Let's try the bun. Them all is cute. Long to me bun. And here are some other snacks that they also send. Some cheeses, some more banana chips, and some cheese curls. Chocolate coated biscuit. It's so delish. Like, And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to enjoy these lovely treats from Jamaica, contact JA Care Packages and they'll definitely send you all of these treats and more.